Welcome back to Nature Nurtures. You may have heard of castor oil, but today I'm going to show you 10 science-backed, dermatologist-aligned, and time-tested ways to use it, not just for beauty, but for your overall health. And trust me, you've never seen castor oil like this before. Stick with me until the end because I'll reveal a centuries-old castor oil remedy still quietly used by luxury skincare brands, yet hidden from you. Why? Because it's cheap, and it works. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's dive into the power of castor oil. Castor oil is extracted from the castor bean and contains a rare fatty acid called ricinoleic acid. This compound is anti-inflammatory, antifungal, deeply moisturizing, and promotes circulation, making it a top choice for both internal and external healing. It also contains vitamin E, omega-6 and omega-9 fatty acids, and potent antioxidants. What makes castor oil unique is its ability to penetrate deep into the skin and hair follicles instead of sitting on the surface like many other oils. Historically, castor oil was used in ancient Egypt and traditional Ayurvedic medicine for everything from beauty to detoxification. Even Cleopatra is said to have used it as part of her beauty routine. So let's explore how you can use it, starting with your nighttime skincare. 1. Deep hydration plus youthful elasticity. Once you pass your late 20s, your skin begins losing moisture and elasticity. Fine lines, dryness, and dull texture start to show up. That's where castor oil steps in. Ricinoleic acid locks in moisture, while vitamin E helps repair damaged skin cells. Together, they hydrate, plump, and restore elasticity to tired skin. 2. Hair growth and thickness booster. Hair thinning is a common concern as we age, especially after 30. Castor oil can help reverse that by stimulating blood flow to the scalp and feeding hair follicles with essential nutrients. Its antifungal and antibacterial properties also keep the scalp healthy and clean. 3. Dark circles and eye puffiness. Remedy: lack of sleep, stress, and screen time contribute to under-eye circles and puffiness. Castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties help reduce swelling and lighten dark circles naturally. Spot treatment for acne, scars, and pigmentation. If you're struggling with dark spots, acne scars, or stubborn pigmentation, castor oil can help. Thanks to its antimicrobial properties and ability to stimulate tissue growth, it helps your skin repair and fade imperfections. 5. Digestion and natural detox aid. Castor oil isn't just for external use. It's been used internally for thousands of years to support digestion, relieve constipation, and even detox the liver. Important: always consult your doctor before taking castor oil orally. If you're enjoying this deep dive into castor oil benefits, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Comment below and let me know. Which castor oil use are you going to try first? Personally, I started with the hair remedy and was amazed by the results. But we're not done yet. 5 more powerful uses are coming your way, plus the ancient skincare remedy that's still used by luxury brands today. Keep watching. 6. Strengthens eyelashes and eyebrows. Sparse eyebrows or thinning lashes can age your face. Castor oil strengthens and stimulates hair follicles, making them fuller and healthier. 7. Heals, cracked heels, and dry feet. Cracked heels and dry feet are often neglected in skincare routines, but castor oil can quickly restore them. 8. Soothes joint pain and inflammation. Castor oil has anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe joint pain caused by arthritis, overuse, or age. 9. Natural makeup remover plus lash conditioner. Castor oil doubles as a gentle, non-toxic makeup remover and lash conditioner. 10. Heals cuticles and strengthens nails. If you deal with brittle nails or dry cuticles, castor oil is the solution. Nails grow stronger and cuticles stay moisturized and healthy. As promised, here's the ancient remedy that luxury skincare companies don't advertise, but often imitate. In ancient Ayurvedic and Egyptian traditions, castor oil was combined with turmeric and sandalwood to create a powerful, rejuvenating balm. Why it works? Castor oil hydrates and heals, turmeric brightens and fades pigmentation, sandalwood soothes and tones. How to make it? 1 teaspoon castor oil, ½ teaspoon, turmeric powder, ½ teaspoon, sandalwood powder, mix into a smooth paste. Apply to clean skin for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water. Use 1 to 2 times per week. Results: brighter, smoother, and more even-toned skin, without the luxury price tag. From glowing skin to stronger nails, better digestion to joint pain relief, castor oil is a true all-rounder. And the best part? It's natural, affordable, and incredibly effective. Comment below and let me know which remedy you're excited to try. Share this video with a friend who needs it, and make sure to subscribe for more informative videos. Stay healthy, stay happy. See you in the next video.